your room is, right? And your door is straight. You want to go through that door to get out of your room. Or you can bring back up your star. And let's go to the rescue. So this is down St. Charles. We're in a public storage building. And this building upon the arches is our hotel.
I just did the VR setup thing where basically we got to simulate a building and different restaurants, pool sides, and all that. It was actually pretty cool. I thought it was amazing. You have to like dash in, click on people, you like warp to them and everything. Just
we took the kids through. We showed them virtual reality. We gave them a tour of a 6-story hotel we're currently working on in St. Charles. We gave them the headsets. They kind of got in. Were able to walk through the building, check into the hotel, go to their guest room, and just see what the building's all about.
What we're doing is a quick drawing exercise, getting them comfortable with sketching and understanding that there's nothing precious or sacred about it, that the first thing is developing some confidence.
This is a house that I've drawn. See, like they have the bushes, the arch part. They have a flat roof on it because I feel like that would be the best thing. This is a garage door, and then back here I was going to put like a pool, and this is the gate, and I was going to put another one over here.
So right now they're learning about 3D printing and laser cutting, which are two digital technologies that allow for custom digital fabrication and entrepreneurship as well. Huge applications in the medical field, dental field especially. And then, as was mentioned, bioprinting is a new field as well, where they're actually using specialized printers to print scaffolds of a biocompatible material that then cells would grow on the scaffolds to create an organ. Like so.
Happening is now, come hold this. This is called a pyrometer, demonstrating how when you have a source of light and heat like the sun, you can use special kinds of glass that allow the light through but block or reflect the heat. And we'll be able to see that by watching this little, very simple, almost toy thing that spins faster when more heat gets through.
Water through, like what they were talking about, in the parking lot outside. It's got different structural. We are showing them some different examples of pervious paving and how it's being used in space here, and how it holds water, or how it lets water through to get to the ground underneath.
Today was pretty interesting. Learning about how this building is so friendly for the environment, how they went out of their way to make it to where it's nice, safe environment. It's releasing less CO2 emissions. It was really interesting.